Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is well. Welcome to Lego with Fonzie. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell. It's down there. Give it a little click. It doesn't cost you anything, but it just means that people can enjoy more people can enjoy the videos. So, without further ado, let's kick straight into bag 11. So, we're on the Lego Blacksmith. Last episode, we installed the bed, put all the roofing portions in, made it look all super snazzy. The blacksmith is currently set up on my shelf, and we will then be putting this on top of that in the last episode. So without further ado, let's crack on with bag 11. Hope everyone is well. Good afternoon, and don't forget the socials are in the description. Give us a follow for teases and updates on the new secret project I'm working on. That will be coming to the channel very soon. So let's crack on with these little Lego heads in. Now they sit in the grooves between blocks. I think groovy. Okay, that joke. Like that. And then we put our 1x6s across the top, like so. Make sure you get them on the hole in the middle, by this green thread, like that. Here's, that wasn't too bad, that one actually. I must say this minty green colour. I do like this mint green colour. I think it's groovy. Groovy, baby. Just groovy. But as always, I can only ever tell you what I think. I am in no way a specialist in anything. Other than, well, I'll voice my opinions, tell you what I think. And you folks out there can make a decision on what you want to do. All I will ever do, and all I can ever do, is offer my honest thoughts. So that's what I do. So that's that bit done. Simples, mint portions pop on. That bit's done. Next to the roof trusses or A-frames. Quite flimsy, they just flex a little. Instructions, as always, are in the description below. Hit the little link down there, takes you to the Lego website where you can see the big, colourful doodly whatsits where you can eye them all up and see how they look. Something doesn't sit right. Right. Curious. So once you put your truss on, you then push the capped brown 3 through the truss into the hole. There are little holes down there that they push into, like so. Like that. Now into the realms of technique, which is definitely where I'm happiest. Get your little spline holders. Pop them on, like so. And that holds them on. Now if you give me a moment, I'm just going to explore why this one won't fit. So be right back with you, my friends. I shall be but a moment. Right back. Hello folks, welcome back. My apologies about that. I had a slight issue which I have now corrected. Work out So this was in the wrong place. It was too far in. I need to pull it out so it covered up the pin at the end, which then allowed this to slide down to its pre-positioned seat, and then you could pop the pins in with the holders behind it. I think that's very cool. I think this design is fantastic. It's by far the best design I've seen for a roof yet. It's quite Minecraft-like, which I think is fantastic. I do like Minecraft. Yes, that is the completion of portion 12. Thanks very much for watching this very, very quick little video, and I'll see you all on the next episode of Lego with Fonzie. Please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, let everyone know what you're thinking about the thing. I love reading your comments. I don't get many. I do like reading the comments. I read them all, as I appreciate it. Anyway, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. As always, please look after yourselves. May the Fonzie be with you all, and I'll see you all next time. Good night, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Look after yourselves. Peace out, my friends. Bye. For now. Hey. This thing is so cool. So cool. So cool.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.